nilabas na yung ating Jesus Nazareno, binalik na natin kagabi. Salamat sa pagbisita ng mga deboto at ni Jesus Nazareno sa atin at mismo yung statue, the pilgrim image of Jesus the Nazarene. We thank God for all of this. Today, we gather and honor the founder of the St. Paul community. Marami, 4 na kongregasyon yung kanyang binuo. Of course, the more famous one is the Society of St. Paul. Kaya meron tayong pandasal at yung mga printing, sa printing press sila, charism, among many other things. The Daughters of St. Paul. He also founded the Sisters of the Good Shepherd and also the Sister Disciples of the Divine Master. So he founded all this. And we celebrate their Founders' Day today, their feast day today, as we thank God for this. We also honor, of course, our very own patron, Saint Anthony of Padua, like most Tuesdays. We thank him for his intercession. The gospel today is a scary one. It is a reminder for us to be prepared. Nakakatakot sa katapusan ng mundo. Walang bato na hindi maguguho. Lahat, walang nakapatong na bato sa isang bato. Everything will eventually pass away. Lahat. All these beautiful stones here and all the beautiful cathedrals and buildings in the world, not one stone will be left on top of the other. Lahat, pagdating ng panahon, ay magugunaw. Lahat. Pero hindi lang naman yung templo, ang pinag-uusapan niya yung buhay na templo. We give too much emphasis on the externals, on the temples, but what is important is the loob, hindi naman yung labas. Masyado tayong focus sa ano nasa labas at hindi nasa loob. Kaya parang nakakatakot, yung mga pagbasa kasi katapusan how it will end, how there will be war, famine, things from the sky will fall, many things, horrible things at the end of time. Horrible if we are not prepared. But if we are prepared, in a certain sense, we might say, we might welcome the end of times. Finally, the lover will meet the beloved. If we are ready, salamat sa Diyos. If we are not ready for the lover to see the beloved, then it will be fearsome, nakakatakot, kagimbal-gimbal na katakutan. But if we are ready, then, wow, finally, we will go back home. Finally, magtatagpo yung nagmamahalan. Ang pagmamahal natin sa Diyos, hindi naman to salita, kundi tunay na pagmamahal. Eagerly waiting to see Him. Yung responsorial psalm kahapon Lord, this is the people that longs to see your face. We long to see the face of Jesus at the end of time. Kaya paghanda natin makasalubong ang Panginoon, lagi natin nakakasalubong, every day, every moment, then there is nothing to fear. Pero kung yung ating pagsasamba ay salita lang at hindi talaga natin gusto makita si Jesus kasi hindi tayo handa dahil sa kasalanan, then truly it is such a fearsome warning for all of us. May this warning truly be interiorized to prepare us inside and not just outside, as the readings remind us. And we thank God for this once again today. Like Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts, be prepared. We ask St. Anthony of Padua and Blessed James Alberione to intercede for us. Amen.